Microprinting applies text and patterns at a scale counterfeiters struggle to copy. Once applied, optical security is easy to verify and hard to fake. These fine lines are designed to break apart when copied.
I have an anomaly in sector gamma. Cross-reference subject identity now.
Running parallel diagnostics. Stand by for confirmation.
This structure represents control. Money begins with authority. Large sheets designed for Euro banknotes move into position. This layer forms the visual foundation. Security begins subtly.
The speed is fluctuating slightly. Can you verify the pressure differential?
One moment. Pressure is holding steady now.
The process continues seamlessly. The first layer is complete, but the note is unfinished. More security will be added. This is not ordinary paper. It's engineered to survive extreme printing pressure.
Euro banknotes are made from pure cotton, not wood-based paper.
Every sheet must behave exactly the same inside high-speed printing machines.
Strength and flexibility are built directly into the paper itself. Security begins before printing, with watermarks embedded inside the paper. The security thread is locked inside the paper, not added afterward. At this stage, the note is still blank, but already secured. Even before ink, every sheet is inspected and verified.
Before any printing begins, security is already built into the paper itself.
These watermarks aren't printed. They're formed during paper creation.
Every watermark must meet exact visibility and clarity standards.
The security thread is locked inside the paper and cannot be separated.
Even before ink, the paper already responds to light and movement. These see-through elements must align perfectly from both sides.
Each sheet is checked under different lighting to confirm authenticity. Machines verify what the human eye cannot see. Only paper that passes every security check moves forward. Now the secure paper is ready for printing and denomination-specific design.
Before mass production begins, every euro denomination is separated and controlled.
Each denomination follows its own dedicated production path. These systems manage thousands of notes at the same time. Even at high volume, printing plates are never shared between denominations. Every plate carries unique detail, even when thousands are produced per hour. Large-scale printing still demands exact alignment on every machine. Even during high-volume testing, standards never change.
Every batch is checked, no matter how large the run.
Once approved, each line is ready to produce currency at full scale. With design separation complete, full-scale printing can finally begin. This is where large-scale printing truly begins.
Thousands of banknotes are printed every minute.
Offset printing lays down the first color layers with absolute consistency. Each sheet passes through several color stages in perfect order. These background patterns are designed to defeat scanners and copiers. Even at massive scale, every press is continuously monitored. The first printed layer must be flawless across every sheet. Automation allows huge volumes to move without losing control. Even at high volume, defective sheets are immediately removed.
Once the background is complete, the next layer adds something you can feel.
This is Intaglio printing, where pressure turns ink into security. These engraved plates carry the most critical details of the banknote.
Only ink inside the engraved lines will transfer to the paper.
Intaglio presses apply enormous pressure to push ink into the paper.
That raised texture is one of the easiest ways to identify real money.
Even at scale, Intaglio printing is deliberately slow and controlled.
Raised ink allows both machines and humans to verify authenticity.
After printing, the ink must stabilize before the next step.
Even the height of the ink is measured and verified. After Intaglio printing, the euro gains texture, but the finest details are still ahead.
After raised ink, the euro moves into details too small to see clearly.
These microprinted elements are smaller than most printers can reproduce.
After raised ink, the euro moves into details too small to see clearly.
Microprinting applies text and patterns at a scale counterfeiters struggle to copy. To the naked eye, these details disappear into the design. Even the smallest details are constantly checked. These fine lines are designed to break apart when copied.
Even at full scale, precision never changes.
Machines verify details no human eye can measure. Once approved, these details become permanent. This is where security becomes visible and dynamic.
Holograms are applied at full production speed. These holograms are permanently bonded to the banknote.
Even at massive scale, each denomination is handled separately.
Color-shifting ink changes appearance when the note is tilted.
These effects are added while production continues at full volume.
Machines verify how these features react to light.
At high speed, rejection must be immediate. Once applied, optical security is easy to verify and hard to fake. Next, security moves into wavelengths you cannot see. Some of the Euro's strongest security features cannot be seen at all.
Ultraviolet inks are applied during full-scale production.
These elements appear only under ultraviolet light.
Every denomination carries its own ultraviolet signature.
Infrared features are designed for machine verification.
Banks and sorting machines rely on these invisible markers.
Ultraviolet and infrared data are verified together. At this speed, rejection must be immediate. These features stay hidden until they are checked.
Next, every euro note receives a unique identity. Every euro banknote must become individually identifiable. These numbers allow every note to be tracked throughout its life. Now, every note can be verified, inspected, and authenticated.
Every euro note is inspected at full speed by machines.
After machines finish, human inspectors make the final decision.
After machines finish, human inspectors make the final decision.
Once approved, Euro banknotes are stored under the highest level of security.
From vault to transport, every movement is tracked, timed, and controlled.